What's up, y'all? It's T with Arizona Riders Club back at the auction. You know, you can tell a lot about a person with the radio stations that are programmed into their car. Let's get this cut off before I get a strike. Well, anyway, we are here in a old school Lexus ES 300. I am loving the way it feels. Ice cold AC, everything works, all the electronics intact. Take a look at this interior. No lights. Yeah, obviously got to get that redone. That wood grain is impeccable. The leather, get that detailed, it would look awesome. Back seats look good too. I might have to pop this one, man. I might just have to pop it. But yeah, man, having a good day. Enjoying myself. We're gonna get into some more vehicles, and I'll let you know what's going on a little bit later. Y'all know what it is, and the slogan is, ride with us.